What if I told you that your next viral video content or even a full blockbuster movie might not need a single human behind the camera? Google has come up with yet another bank of an AI tool that is called Flow. What if I tell you that what you're seeing on your screen is in fact not a real video? It's completely created with the Google Flow AI. Now, you may be saying, well, you're not a filmmaker, maybe you're just a content creator or a marketer that needs video for whatsoever. How about this one? Now, do you know that this is also created completely with the Flow AI tool? Imagine a tool so powerful, it can write, it can storyboard, it can animate, and even edit your film, all with just a few prompts. Sounds like science fiction to you, right? Well, it's not. This is the world of Flow, the revolutionary video making tool from Google that is changing everything. Google newest AI model is crushing ChatGPT or just any other AI tool out there. Stick around because in the next few minutes, you're going to discover how the Google Flow AI works, what it can do for a creator like you, and why this might just be the future of storytelling. So, what exactly is the Flow AI? Flow is the next generation artificial intelligence filmmaking platform just launched by Google to create cinematic content without you needing a crew, a studio, or even a camera. So far, it's the leading AI video platform right there online. And here is how it works. By going to flow.google, follow the simple sign-up process, and then you land on your interface, which is a pretty simple one. Once you click on New Project, give it a simple prompt, and Flow go ahead to work, build your scenes, cast your AI-generated characters, and animate everything with breathtaking realism. Think of it as ChatGPT meet Hollywood, but on steroid. Whether you are a YouTuber, a filmmaker, an animator, or just someone with a story to tell, Flow AI can turn your ideas into visual masterpieces in record time. So let's quickly break down the powerhouse feature that make Flow stand out of the rest. The first is the text to video prompt box, which once you type your text in the prompt bar, you get a video back. Here, if you click the drop down arrow, you can switch between different modes. There are 3 modes which include the text to video, frame to video, and the ingredient to video modes. Once you change your mode, these chips underneath will automatically change, giving you options for each mode that you choose to work with. Here is your ingredient store. The ingredient store is just a collection of your previously used frames, which you can reuse. You can also upload or generate your own unique frame if that is what you want. Here is another feature I love so much in Flow. It's called the camera control chip. Once you click on it, it displays different camera icons with different moves. So it means you can actually select your camera moves for your video without needing to include the description of that move in your prompt. Finally, the ingredient chip allows you to combine different frames in one scene. Ingredients specifically help you to achieve character, location, and object consistencies throughout your video generation process. You can shorten your scene or click here and then click extend, which enables you to use your preferred prompts to elongate your scene if that is what you want. Finally, you can also save your scene for a later time. You can rearrange your scenes, and of course, you can download once you're pleased with what you have done. So basically, using Flow is that easy and straightforward. Let me know if you can access flow.google from your country of location. If you can't yet, keep tab because soon Flow will be available also in your location. Got value from this short video? Please give it a like, and if you love to get more AI updates and you are not yet subscribed to this channel, do so right now so that YouTube can notify you when next I publish my next videos. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next one.